Hi everyone, welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday 28th of November with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at the gold chart which fell over a touch yesterday. I've been talking in recent days about how upside momentum has been waning, and you've got the sort of rolling over aspect of this chart now being confirmed through the momentum indicators. That cross lower on the stochastics doesn't look all that great near term. MACD lines, yeah, I mean they have shaded a touch lower, but I think it's still fairly neutral. I'm not taking that as a negative cross anyway at the moment, unless they start to really expand out lower. RSI 45, I think it's still sort of taking on a little bit of a negative drift in the move lower. Back below 1217 is not great, but you've not yet broken below 1208, which I'm taking as a near-term sort of key level to watch. Because if you break below that, then you really are sort of starting to trade below all the moving averages and sort of gain a bit of traction in the downside move. But for now, it is holding on just. It's $1 lower today. But the problem is that 1217 now becomes a basis of resistance overhead. So unless you can get gold sort of starting to trade through back above 1217, then I think the outlook starts to look a little bit less positive, certainly on a near-term basis. You're still in this medium-term recovery uptrend channel. The channel comes in around 1202 today, and if you obviously break that, then you're looking at 1195, which is the key level of support. If you broke that, you really are turning negative again, I think, on the outlook. But for now, it's just a little bit of a deterioration in the uptrend channel, nothing too concerning yet. But I think if you break below 1208, then you are looking a little bit more worried, I think, on the long side. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.